Go for it. These are the elevators here at Nordstrom at Menlo Park Mall in Edison, New Jersey. Oh wow, they restricted it to employees only.
What?
There used to be an employees only sign there.
Oh really?
Yeah. Maybe you haven't been here in a while, they restricted the third floor to employees only.
Well,
You'll see what I mean when it opens up.
one.
See?
Yep.
Gotta tell you, that really sucks. ADA phone.
These are nice lights though.
Yeah.
You wanna
Send
ride
this
the
one
other
up and get a ride on the other one.
Alright, let's wait for that other one to close up.
There it goes.
Alright. It's got
Right
the Series 1 chime also.
Well, Vanity is basically a variant of Series 1.
They almost look like Schindler RT fixtures.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't get a cat view in the other one. These are also similar to Nordstrom at Oakbrook Center.
One.
Yeah.
Phone. Also similar to Westfield Montgomery and Bethesda.
Yeah. That's what I said. These are almost identical to both Oakbrook Center and Westfield Montgomery.
I
Alright.
haven't researched Oakbrook Center in a while.
That's it.